So I need to feed my tower garden with MasterBlend nutrients. So I just keep it easy. I don't use a scale. I use tablespoons. So I use a tablespoon. Okay. And I do 2 tablespoons of the calcium nitrate. And a 5-gallon bucket. So 2 tablespoons of calcium nitrate. Then I like to add water and kind of combine it. Then I just use like a stick and make sure that it's dissolved. Okay, looks pretty dissolved. And then next I do 1 tablespoon of Epsom salt. And I just bought this Epsom salt from Walmart, just as long as it doesn't have any fragrance or anything. It's just pure Epsom salt. Maybe a little bit less, just a little more. Okay, add a little bit more water. Alright, then I'll stir it with the stick, make sure everything's combined. Okay, looks pretty good. And the last step is the MasterBlend formula. That's a 4-18-38. Alright, what do I do with that spoon? Here it is. The teaspoon and 2 teaspoons of MasterBlend. 1, 2. Okay. Add some more water. I'm going to fill it all the way up to the 5-gallon line. Okay, that's good. Stir it one more time, just for safe measures. Okay, that should be good. Now, I'm going to get this added to the tower garden. It's a little heavy to be using, so I just use a little pail. Like this. Dip it in here. Hopefully I don't spill any. I mean, I'm sure I'm going to spill some, but I'll spill less. soil than it's full. The rest of this I'll give it to my raspberry. Okay, that's good. Put the cover on this, and the rest of this I will give it to my raspberry. Over here. And also some to the hydrangea, starting to recover from all the deer damage that I had. She's putting out all new leaves. This will help it. Okay. That's all. Hope you enjoyed this instructional video. Please subscribe if you like content like this. And I am the Mountainside Gardener. See you on the next one.